guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's recipe because we're gonna be preparing a Puerto Rican style bread pudding. Just one bite and you will forever be hooked on this style from this beautiful country. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so to start this bread pudding, it's so simple. I'm adding 2 cups of milk straight into this measuring pitcher. I'm gonna mix everything else right into here as well. 3 eggs are going to be added. As you can tell, we're going to be making a custard for this bread pudding to soak in. Next goes in the vanilla and some cinnamon. 3 tablespoons of melted butter is then going to be added, and this is going to make a rich and delicious bread pudding. Now for the last ingredient, I'm going to be putting in 3/4 cups of sugar, and this adds the perfect amount of sweetness. Mix everything up well, and if you're new to my channel, I post quick and easy videos weekly. Be sure to subscribe and click that notifications bell so you won't miss out on them. Okay, so you're probably wondering what makes this Puerto Rican style. Well, I'm going to be using this Mallorca style bread to soak up and bake in all of that rich and delicious custard. These are sweet rolls which originate from Spain, and you could use any bread you please, cinnamon rolls, croissants, or pretty much any stale bread you have laying around. These ones I found in a Latin supermarket, and they also sell them in Filipino bakeries as well. Cut whichever bread you choose to use into square pieces and add the bread into a 9-inch square pan. Arrange them around evenly and pour all of that custard mixture all over the bread. Mix it around a bit to make sure everything gets nicely absorbed. I'm going to pop this into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and this is going to bake for 55 minutes to 1 hour. It's not ready until all of that bread puffs up like a souffle, so that'll be an indicator when you know that it's done. The top will also be nicely golden brown, and yes, I forgot to mention the mix-in options. Don't forget to add some raisins if you please, or some sliced almonds. If you're presenting this for a dinner party, you know how I am with presentation. Be sure to top this off with a dusting of powdered sugar or even a drizzle of the best and easiest to make caramel sauce ever. I'll leave the link for that recipe at the end of this video. This bread pudding is so moist inside. It has a nice caramelized crust on the outside. For a warm and comforting dessert, it just doesn't get any better than this.